So hello my friend. So welcome back to my channel and welcome back. So in this video is I will teach you on how to add website on our Google AdSense account. So if you have Google AdSense account and you want to monetize your website using AdSense, so in this video is the full tutorial of how to do that. Okay? So stay tuned and sit back and relax, my friend. Okay, so I will teach you step by step tutorial on how to add website on our Google AdSense account. Okay, so I will teach you immediately and okay, so I will teach you right now, my friend. So hello, my friend. Ayan. So in this videos, I will teach you on how to add website in our Google AdSense to make it monetize. Ayan. So, okay, so in my case, I will choose Google Chrome. So it's depend on you on what browser did you choose. So in this step, so you will need to make it desktop side and also search the Google AdSense in the Chrome. And here tap that, yan, Google AdSense website. So in that website, so you will to choose that, and in the next step, so you will choose this continue button, ayan, or I mean get started button. Yan, choose that. And after we tap that, so here's the another step. Okay, so another step is choose what Google account did you want to make, or what Google account that registered or created account before in this Google AdSense. Okay, so wait a minute. Okay, so here's the dashboard of our Google AdSense. So since I'm a YouTuber, so I have YouTube AdSense dyan. Okay, so choose this, connect your site to AdSense. So just tap the let's go, and also you have see the ad site. So paste here your website. So ayan, so that's the website, complete website details or website address. So tap done, or save or whatever. So okay, so just be patient. So we'll be waiting. Okay, so we're finished, and also tap let's go again to go to the dashboard of your website. Okay, so just wait a minute. Be patient of there. Okay, so here's my website, jameskeyblogpost.com. If you want to know how to create website, so here's the details. I will upload that. Okay, so choose that, and also tap this request review. So tap this request review so that the AdSense can review your website. So if that website is eligible to monetization and make it ads, and also you can earn money using your website. Okay, so another step is tap this explore. Okay, so in this process is we will process on how ads works on your website. Okay, so just wait, and this a preparing preview, so you can see your website here in that place. Okay, so we zoom this right and tap this auto ads. Did you see this button? Ayan, so you will need to turn in. Okay, so tap this. So there are many recommended. So we'll need to prove it. So first is intended driving format. So tap that, and also check this button. Ayan. And I acknowledge, tap that. You will need to tap this acknowledge button. Okay, so you can see it's okay. So you will need to save it right now. Okay, so back. It's already saved. And the other one is the overlay format. So the overlay format is that's how looks like the ads in our website. Okay, so it's all good, it's all check. So in page formats. So in page formats, so we will need to check that blank button in the box. Ayan, so check, and that's good. So back again and excluded areas. So tap that one. So in excluded areas, so we don't have any excluded areas. So the last one is the included exclusion. Okay, so add exclusion, and here's my website, and you will need to tap the add button. Ayan, in that blue. So before that, we will need to all the page only, or tap the all the pages if you want. So depend on you. So okay, so tap the add button, then back. So as you can see, here's my website. That's my website looks like. So it is all good. So all you need to do now is to wait for the agreement or confirmation of AdSense that you will have the ads on your website. So it takes about 2 weeks or 1 week. So dependent on your website. So okay, so did you see that check button? Okay, the ad setting confirm is check. So that means it's all good. So you will need to wait for another days that can AdSense review your account or your website. So AdSense will notify you if your website are going to undergo the ads. Okay? So that's all, friend. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. God bless. So this is the end of our video. So I hope you like my video tutorial for today. And I hope you enjoy also. So that's the end of our video, and that's how the tutorial on how to add website on our Google AdSense account. So on that video, in that case, you can monetize your website and you can earn money. So thank you for watching my video, and God bless.